up? We made it to Miramar Beach, Florida. We're here at Walmart in Mississippi, close to Vicksburg. Had to get some last minute supplies for our trek to Miramar Beach, Florida. There it is, Walmart. That Destin sign. This must be that where Crab Island is. Tiki barge? Yes. Yeah. Get drunk on a barge.
Well, hopefully we can still do it.
What's up? We made it to Miramar Beach, Florida. Alright, this is going to be our room. Ooh, this is where we're going to be hanging out with our little anchor pillows. What's that I see over there? That is the beach. Heading to my parents' hotel. Hello, we finally made it. What's up?
So you were on the scenic route.
Good bullshit!
Yeah, the balcony's great here. No, right here. This one's awesome. Oh, Pompano Joe's is right there, huh?
Yeah.
So that's we're heading to Pompano Joe's right there.
The restaurant's over here, guys. Skip my bed.
All right, first reactions from the beach. What do you think, Matt?
It's so sandy.
I wish they had a shower.
What did you say?
I wish we had a shower.
Babe, the sand feels soft, doesn't it?
It's super soft. It
This is
feels,
the softest sand I've ever felt.
yeah,
The best sand. Like, look at my feet.
yeah,
It feels like I'm jumping on a cloud. I don't know how to explain it. It's just super soft.
like silky.
So amazing. You want to come
Nikki,
with me?
what do you think about the sand and the beach?
I like the water.
The water?
Yeah.
Nice. We're about to go check it out. Time for the beach. Ooh, that feels nice. Good temperature. It's not cold, it's almost warm.
I can't wait to get into this water tomorrow.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be paradise, baby. We're in paradise.
And then you push it to the side.
Yes.
Yeah, really.
Unless you get it inside the
Because
mouth.
sharks can't see you close up. So you just put your hand on their nose and push them to the side.
They're like kitty cats.
I'm back. I got us a
Very good, right?
Big Ed
I'm about to get tips.
drink.
10 people. That's not bad.
And she got cream of coconut. She got the same thing.
I feel so weird.
All right, so I'm not gonna lie, this drink, this got me.
Yeah,
Got me pretty good.
Yeah.
That was my mother-in-law. I didn't make that clear. That was my mother-in-law.
And then my dad's already on his third margarita?